I'm standing here at Jasper National Park, just 10 minutes from the park gate, at a location where you would have driven by anytime you've come to Jasper National Park, and you would have probably stopped at the cliff here to look at the mountain sheep that are by the highway. Many people do this, but what people don't realize is that over 100 years ago, there used to be a lime and stone factory that was here. It was called the Fitzhugh Lime and Stone Company, and it was built in 1911, just 3 years before the First World War. There also used to be a railway that went by where the highway is now. Lime is a substance, a chemical that is used to make concrete and steel. In 1914, the workers made enough lime to transport out of the area. But in 1914, the First World War broke out. So rather than transporting the lime that they made, they dumped the lime here and they took off to enlist in the army and join the war effort. They never came back. But the lime that they dumped still is here today, along with other remnants in the area from the factory. It's just another way that the First World War still impacts Canada today.